Last time I promised fractions. Well, here they are. Somebody took my x and chopped it clean in half. Deep breath. A fraction is not a monster. It is a division sign wearing a costume, and every division has an undo button. Today we find it, and we press it.
Algebra from scratch. Part 4. Clearing fractions. X over 2. That little bar means exactly one thing. Divide. Take x, cut it into 2 equal pieces, keep 1 piece. That's all a fraction ever says. So, how do you undo a cut? You multiply. Divide by 2, then multiply by 2, and x walks back out in 1 piece. Multiplying is the undo button for dividing. But do not forget the golden rule from part 1. The scale. If you multiply one side, you multiply the other side too. Both sides, every single time, or the scale tips and the answer is wrong.
Back to my chopped up mystery. X over 2 plus 3 equals 7. Which layer comes off first? The outer one. Peel the plus 3, minus 3 from both sides. Now x over 2 equals 4. Now the cut itself. X is divided by 2, so multiply both sides by 2. The bar disappears, and 2 4s is 8. There it is. X equals 8. Box it in. Check it. X is 8. Half of 8 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. The scale is happy. 2 moves. Peel the layer, then clear the fraction.
Now, the trap. Here is the number 1 fraction mistake in algebra. Same equation, but this time you multiply by 2 first. X over 2 plus 3 equals 7 becomes x plus 3 equals 14. No, multiplying a side means multiplying every term on that side. The 3 lives on that side too. It is part 3's bag rule, wearing a new hat. X plus 6 equals 14. And when you are not sure, the numbers snitch. We know x is 8. The right line, 8 plus 6 is 14. Tick. The wrong line, 8 plus 3 is 11. Busted. Numbers always tell on bad algebra.
Boss level. X plus 1, all over 2, equals x minus 4. A fraction, a set of parentheses, and x on both sides. Everything we own in one line. Step 1. Clear. Multiply both sides by 2. The left side loses its bar. The right side, all of it, gets doubled, so it goes into a bag. Look who is back. Parentheses. Step 2. Pop. The 2 goes to the x and to the minus 4. X plus 1 equals 2, x minus 8. Step 3. Herd. X on both sides, so subtract the smaller pile, 1x from each side. 1 equals x minus 8. Step 4. Peel. Add 8 to both sides. 9 equals x, which is just x equals 9, read backwards. Box it in. Check. X is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 over 2 is 5. Other side, 9 minus 4, also 5. Balanced. Clear. Pop. Herd. Peel. That is the entire toolkit in one equation.
The recap. 1. A fraction bar is a division sign, nothing more. 2. Multiply to undo it, both sides and every term on them. 3. Clear the fraction first, and then it is the same old game you already know. Next time, the equation disappears completely. You get a sentence, a story, and you have to build the equation yourself. That is the episode where algebra starts paying rent.
A-like tells the algorithm this classroom deserves students. Homework: x over 5 minus 2 equals 1. Peel it, clear it, and comment your answer. I check every single one. Class dismissed.